Alright, so we've just finished some welding. Not amazing welds, but we were using gasless MIG welder. But that's the first time me welding, and I think I did a fairly good job. Definitely got the job done. So I've just cut along here and folded it so it's in parallel with this line, this bar. So this is where the wheel is going to this is where the wheel is going to attach to. That is where the axle is going to attach to. And what I have here, some bushings. This is going to go inside the frame. That's going to be on there. I could put bearings inside, but my dad gave me these. He used them on a go-kart that he made for us a while ago, quite some time ago. He used them as just bearing alter. So this is rubber, and you can squeeze it really easily. This goes inside there, like that, and then this is about a 9mm diameter inside. So I've got some 8mm tubing, some 8mm rod. Gonna grease it up, weld this to my frame, and then there's gonna be a nut on the end. I'm gonna thread the rod. So these are almost done now. Literally all I have to do is drill a hole in there for the axle of the wheel.